What you need, hey, Wiggly, watch this guy. What's in the middle? Ready? Middle of the field. Go! Step up. Knock your flare. Come on.
Get him, buddy.
Knock it down!
Oh!
He's still hurt. Way to go! Nice catch!
Get him, buddy.
Knock it down!